Hey everybody, this video we're going to talk about the Xhorse Condor Dolphin and Condor Dolphin 2. The Condor Dolphin 1 has the M1 clamp and the M2 clamp, cutting edge cut or high security keys. The Dolphin 2 has the M5 clamp, which allows you to cut high security and edge cut using the same clamp just by rotating it. And so Dolphin came up with an update saying, or Xhorse came up with an update saying that now you can use the M5 clamp on your Dolphin 1. So before I actually buy another M5 clamp, I wanted to go ahead and test it out. So we're going to go ahead and do that. So first thing we need to do is swap the clamp here. So I'm going to take the the M1 clamp off, and I'll put my M5 clamp on. All right, and we're going to cut a Lexus key. Here's what we're going to actually cut with it, or at least try anyway. See if it works. So I'm going to go ahead and pull up the app here. And by the way, you do have to update the firmware on your Dolphin, so I've done that. Everything should be up to date on it. And I'm going to go to device information, cutter settings, and select the M5 clamp. And then we'll go to all keys lost. And Lexus, and I do have a lock here with 44137 is the code. I think that's what that said. Yeah, 44137. 44137. So I just punch that into our all keys lost here. Hopefully the server's working. If not, we'll look it up somewhere else. Okay, and it's telling us to use M5B and tip alignment number 2. So that's all as it should be here. So let me go ahead and load the key up real quick. So go ahead and flip the jaw around here. So we're on the A side as indicated by the A. And now we're on the B side here. And we'll go ahead and put it on position number 2. And since this machine does not have a shield, I will go ahead and make a mess here in my little office. And then I'm going to hit cut key. And so now it'll do its thing here, and I'll probably speed this up, and we'll flip it over and cut the other side. Alright, so there's side 1. And just the fact that it's cutting here, I'm impressed. I don't know why I didn't think it wouldn't work. I guess you have little faith in Xhorse sometimes. So go ahead and we'll cut side 2 here. Alright, and off to the races. So I'll probably edit this part, speed it up a little bit here, and we'll check back in when it's done. Alright, so it has successfully cut side 2 here. And now the moment of truth. Does the key work? So there's our lock. And it looks alright on it. Go ahead and we'll try it out. And look at that. Works perfectly. So looks like the M5 jaw does indeed work on the Dolphin 1. So I'm probably going to be purchasing one on AliExpress is what I'm thinking. And if you guys have any questions or comments, please put them in the comments. I might try to answer pretty much everything. And if you like this kind of stuff, like and maybe even subscribe, share, all that fun stuff. And got really nothing else to say on this one. We will talk to everybody later.